Welcome to Excellence in Excel. In this video, we will discuss about the Excel VLOOKUP value. So VLOOKUP function in Excel is being used very often and is one of the main and most used functions in Excel. It is very valuable and very useful. So in this video, we're going to discuss how to use it. So imagine here we have a situation. We have a list of students with a score. And what we want is we want to get the grade. And the grade, we can find them in the grade table. So what is the value or the grade that John's supposed to get based on his score of 75? He should get the grade of letter C. And same with Mike. Mike have 65 and 65 is considered letter D. So how do we do this? Well, very simple. First of all, type an equal and then we type in here VLOOKUP, open parentheses. And once we did that, you can see here, we can click here on the formula builder. So we get some additional help. And you can see here it's nicely organized. So the first question will be, what is the VLOOKUP value? Or what's the value? In this case, our value is here. And maybe you might say, oh, this is very hard to click. Can I click here? Something is going on. Or it's very hard. Well, no problem. If this is a trouble, then what you can do here is just click in here. You type in VLOOKUP, open parentheses. And from there on, we can start without being blocked by our cells. So we just select here the VLOOKUP value, 75. Once you did this, then you have the table array. The table array is the grade table where we can find the value and make sure that the number 75 or the scores should be in the first column. So in this case, this is exactly the right match. This is what we want. Next, the column index number. So in which column can we find the answer that we want? So we want to have the grade. So in the score, we find in the first column. But the grade is presented in the second column. So we select number 2, second column. Finally, the range lookup. In our case, we have a range lookup because we are stating that everything starting from 0 up to 61 or up to 60 is considered a grade F. So that's a range. If you want to, so that means the range lookup is true, so we say yes. If this would be false, then you should have an exact match, meaning number 75 here should also be shown in here. And if not, it will indicate no answer or no value available. So in this case, this is true, so we type in 1, and if it's false, it should be 0. So we're done here, because this is a true statement. Yes, done. Close the formula builder, and there you are. You can see now this works perfectly. Then if you would drag this down, you will see that there's some errors being shown up. So these errors pop up because of the formula has not, or at least the table array that we selected, these values here, we didn't lock them into place. So they're not frozen. Meaning that if we go down, it will increase us one value at a time. And you can see here we are going down and now it's missing some of the items here. So what do we want to do? It's very simple. Is we want to freeze the cell. So we select the F8. That's the starting cell here. Yes, it's 8 and this is F. You probably cannot see it right now. So we just select here. We press F4 and same for G14. So this is 14G. We click here and F4. Enter. Now we lock them into place. So now they're in a fixed position. Drag them down. And if you open this, you can see everything maintains in the same position. And this is how you can use the Excel VLOOKUP function to get the VLOOKUP value. So if you like these kind of tips and tricks, check out the link below. In there you can find a wonderful Excel course. And if you have any questions, just let me know or post a comment below.